So, good afternoon to all the students. This is the third day of our class. So, we have studied measurement, and now we are going to study the same topic, measurement, or the same chapter. Now, today, before starting a new topic, we left yesterday this in derivative units. So, before going to the topic, let us revise once again what we have studied in last two classes. So, the first one is in chapter we have studied about the physical quantity. So, I think you already understand what the physical quantity means. Yes, that is the what? That is the unit that is been measured. So, and the other one that we come into study, that one is measurement. So, what we call as the measurement is the systems of comparing one units, unknown units with the standard quantity or the units. Next one is the units. We come to the topic, that is the unit. So, what the unit means? Yes, that is unit is the suffix of keeps in the physical quantity, or it is the standard means forms that use in the measurement, like kilogram, gram, etc. Then the next one is the system of measurement. So, I think you have already remember what the system of measurement means. That is, system of measurement means the way how the things are being measured. So, the measurement systems we have gone through the second day of this chapter about the different systems of measurement. What are they? What are they? They are Cgs systems of measurement, FPS systems of measurement, and Mks systems of measurement. So, what the means Cgs systems of measurement means? The Cgs systems of measurement means that is centimeter, length is measured in centimeter, yes, then mass is measured in gram, and time is measured in second. So, the systems in which the length is measured in centimeter, mass is measured in gram, and the time is measured in second, that is called as the Cgs systems of measurement. We have already studied. Yes. Then the next one is the FPS systems of measurement. So, what the Cgs systems also call? It is a France systems of measurement. Then the next one is the FPS systems of measurement. So, what is the FPS systems of measurement? In which length is measured in foot, then mass is measured in pound, and time, yes, that is in second. So, time is measured in second, mass is measured in pound, and length is measured in foot. That system of measurement is called as FPS system of measurement. That is also called as which system of measurement? That is British systems of measurement. Then again we have studied the third system of measurement that we call as the Mks systems of measurement. Mks system of measurement is the systems of measurement where the length is measured in meter. Yes, good. Length is measured in meter, and mass is measured in, yes, kilogram, and time is measured as usual in second. So, till here Cgs, FPS and Mks system of measurement, I think you are totally clear about the concept how the measurement is been done. Again, yesterday we have again studied about the SI system of measurement, that is system of international D units is also called, or the international standard unit of measurement, whatever we can say that. It is the modernized system of measurement of Mks system. Means we can say that it is the modified form, modern form of the measurement of Mks system. So, what is the modernized form means? That means the 3 units are taken as the basic units or the base unit. I already tell you about the base unit. What the base unit means? Of course, that is the fundamental unit. So, fundamental unit is the base unit, and the system of measurement where only 3 units are taken, that is the Mks system, means length, mass and time is taken to measure all the means that is the unit physical quantities, that is Mks system. But what happened, the whole systems cannot be measured, or the whole physical quantities cannot be measured only with the help of length, mass and time. Therefore, again in 1960, I already tell you about that one. You can go through the second video, you can see there from the YouTube or Bhairava television. You can subscribe over there, you can see that one. So, in SI systems there are 7 base unit. 7 base units. Yesterday we gone through the simplest form how we can know the fundamental units. Okay, SI unit is standard form of unit, where the fundamental unit, base units are 7 base units are been kept. Now, what is fundamental unit? So, I already tell you it is the base unit. It is an independent unit which are not dependent on other, any other unit, including themselves. Now, what the including themselves means? For example, that length is measured in meter. So, is there any relations with the length and the means kilogram while measuring means that is the cloth? Is there any relations with the length and the kilogram? No, we are not take both at a time. Means one we go to the market and we buy the cloth, and when we measure 1 meter 10 inch for our clothes whatever, then we will again we do not weight the cloth, and we will while buying we will buy according to the length meter, isn't it, while buying the cloth. So, that means the length is not dependent on the kilogram and time. So, the time with the time the length does not change cloth, isn't it, while measuring the cloth. So, therefore, they are not dependent on each other. That's why I call that including themselves. So, fundamental unit are those independent units which are not dependent on others, including themselves. So, till here we have studied. So, can you tell what are the 7 fundamental unit that we have studied here yesterday? I made you a short form also, so that you can easily by heart. Yes, kg के mole में CDS. Do you remember what I say? kg के mole में CDS. So, kg के mole में CDS. kg के mole में CDS. That means these are the fundamental units. These are the fundamental SI units, we can say that fundamental SI unit. So, what are the 7 fundamental? Now, you can easily write kg denotes, yes, kg denotes kilogram. That means what? That is the mass. Then K denotes Kelvin. I think you have understood yesterday itself. Kelvin denotes temperature. Mole, amount of substance, that is MOL, that is mole. Mole is the amount of substance. then m is the meter, that is denotes length. Yes, A is the ampere, that denotes what? Current. Good. I think you catch it up, this one formula. CD means candela, that denote luminous intensity, and S means second, that denote second. So what are the fundamental units? Simply kg ke mole में CDS. kg ke mole. Once you repeat with me, are you hearing? Yes, kg ke mole में CDS. These are the fundamental unit. So till yesterday we have been gone through this topic. Now comes to the next one. Today we are going to start our next topic, that is the derived units. So what is derived units? Derived, I already explained you yesterday also, again I will repeat it. Derived units are those units which are obtained by multiplying and or, be remember, by multiplying and or dividing one or more fundamental units. Or if you could not get it, derived units are those which are obtained by multiplying, and or. So why it is written and or? Means sometime we have to multiply two or more units. We will take the example of it, then we will clearly understand what it means. Although multiplying and or dividing, sometime we have to multiply as well as divide it. Some units are multiply and some units are divides, and sometime what happen, we have to divide, only divide. That is called as the derived unit. Now derived, how it is been developed? Derived units are developed from what? From fundamental unit, base units. So can we say that how many derived units are there? Can we say? No. Fundamental units, we can say that there are 7 base units or the fundamental units, but derived units are more because it is been formed from the fundamental unit. Therefore derived units, we cannot say the number how many derived units are been there. It are formed by the combinations of different fundamental units. Let us take an example to know how the derived units are being made. Let us take one of the derived quantity, area. Area भनेको त थाहा छ सबैलाई, what's the area means. Okay, so area is how we will calculate. I think you studied in mathematics. Yes, yes, in mathematics you have already studied that area is calculated by length into, am I right? Is there any mistake? No, I don't think so. There is mistake. That is, it is measured by multiplying length and breadth. Then next one is the what is the symbol? Length into breadth. That is, symbol is, we will write later on. What are the fundamental units? Length is also measured in, yes, what? That is meter. Yes, that is meter. Again breadth is also measured in, that is also in meter. So m into m, can we write m square? Can we write m square? I think we can write. M into m is m square. So what will be the symbol unit? That is the square of meter. So, can you understand what it means? So, area is derived from two fundamental units. What are the two? Length and breadth. There are 2 meters. So, the fundamental units are, that is the what? That are the 2 meters, that is m into m to form m square. So, it is been derived from 2 fundamental unit. I think so you are clear on this. Let us take the next example, that is volume. First we go through the easiest one, volume. So, volume, the related formula of volume, yes, you are good in mathematics, so you can easily say that is the length into breadth into height. Yes. Then how many m into m will be there? One length m, another breadth m, it is also measured in meter, and another one is height, also m. It is SI unit. Be remember, it is SI unit. We are using SI unit. Someone may say that why we cannot write cm, centimeter. We are taking about the SI unit, that is derived unit or SI derived unit. Therefore, we are writing all in meter. So, that is what? That is the m cube. M cube. What we call as the m cube? Cubic meter. Those who are good in mathematics, you can easily catch up what I said. I think all are good in mathematics. Okay, when you practice, you will do well. So, maths and science need more practice. Then the next one is we can take us in class 8 also, what you have studied about in science, that is velocity. 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 So, what is velocity then? Velocity भनेको के हो? That is कसरी calculate गरिन्थ्यो? What? How? Yes, good. That is the displacement upon time taken. Speed पनि हामीले पढ्यो. Speed or velocity भन्छौँ. डिफरेन्ट के छ, स्पिडमा हामीले के गर्छौँ, displacement लेख्दैनौँ, distance travel लेख्छौँ. We will study that one in 4th chapter. Okay, so don't be worried. Now only we are trying to know that how that is the derived unit is been formed from fundamental unit. Yes, good. Now displacement upon time taken, you have S upon T. Okay, S upon T. Then what are the fundamental unit? Displacement is measured in, or distance is measured in kilogram, second? No, it is measured in meter. Then time is measured in, yes, that is in second. So, second, m upon s. Can we write like this, m to the power this one? What we will do in mathematics, if it is divided by 2, we can write like this. Yes, and when we divide, that's one. So, I am only taking the proportions into the upper parts. Okay, so m. Now, what is the symbol of units? Meter. Meter. Then per second. Per second means dividing second. Okay, meter per second. So, this is the another means derived units. Let us try more, so that more you try, more clear you will be, or you will be clear more. Acceleration. So, acceleration is denoted by small a, or we can write this one B, capital B, area. It is not necessary, although it is not necessary, I have written this one. Now, accelerations. So, acceleration means what? Acceleration means, you have gone through this from class 6 also, you know very well. Yes, that is the rate of change of velocity. Change of velocity, you understand. Rate means what? Rate means what? Change in velocity means that is the changing of velocity, and the rate means with time. So, that means velocity with time, v upon t. Rate of change of velocity, yes, with time. What is the velocity? We have already discussed about the, or we have formed derived unit of velocity. That is what? That is the meter per second. Now, again we will not do that one, meter per second, yes. Again upon what? Or for easiness I will write like this, upon what? Velocity upon time. You can look here, that is velocity, the velocity formula, and that is divided by s, yes. So, I will part is this one. So, what happen? M upon it will go down s into s. That means what? That means meter per second square. Now, can you tell me what is the symbol units? Can you tell me what is the symbol unit? That will be meter, yes, good, meter per second square. Yes, now you are means having some idea about regarding the derived units, how the derived units are being formed from the fundamental units. Let us try more. Density. Density so, what is the formula of density? Related formula of density? Density equals to mass upon volume. Yes, am I right? I think you say yes. Mass upon volume. So, mass is measured in, here mass is measured in kilogram, and volume is measured in, sorry, we can write this one with symbol, mass upon volume. Okay. Now, mass is measured in kilogram and volume is what? Volume is measured in length, breadth and height, that is m cube. That is m cube. So, that will be what? Kg per meter cube. Okay. That will be what? Kilogram per, or we can symbol write kilogram per meter cube, cubic meter, we can write also cubic meter. So, it is there are more examples are been there in your book. So, you can practice this one. If you have any confusions, you can comment on it. Now comes to the next topic, that is difference between derived units and the fundamental units. I think you already clear about one. And derived units. Derived units. You are already clear about that one. So, what is the derived units and the fundamental units? Fundamental units, what I say? I am writing in short, independent units. Independent unit means it does not depends on itself or the another unit. It is what? Dependent units. Are you clear? Are you clear? Yes. And next one is it cannot reduce to elementary form. Elementary form भनेको थाहा छ हजुरलाई? Elementary form अथवा level भन्दा पनि हुन्छ. Because it is an elementary itself, or it is a elementary unit. यो एलिमेन्ट्री एलिमेन्टलाई ब्रेक डाउन गर्न सकिन्छ सकिदैन हो, त्यही भएर यसलाई एलिमेन्ट्री वर्ड यहाँ राखेको. हामीले फन्डामेन्टल युनिट्सलाई मिटरलाई फेरि हामीले के त अर्को युनिटमा चेन्ज गर्न सक्दैनौँ, त्यही भएर यो के हो त एलिमेन्ट्री युनिट भनिन्छ. तर के त भन्दाखेरि इट क्यान बी रिड्युस, यो रिड्युस गर्न सकिन्छ. It can be reduced into elementary form. Elementary form ma reduce garna sakincha because it is the combinations of two or more fundamental unit. दुई भन्दा बढी fundamental units को बाट बनेको हुनाले यसलाई हामीले के गर्न सक्छौं, यसलाई हामीले रिड्युस गर्न सक्छौं. तेस्रो पोइन्ट अहिले मैले भर्खर भने थिए के त भन्दाखेरि बेस युनिट फन्डामेन्टल युनिट्स कतिवटा छ एसआई सिस्टममा? एसआई सिस्टममा फन्डामेन्टल युनिट कति युनिट्स कति भने? यस, दैट इज द 7 युनिट्स. अब के मैले अहिले भनिसके के केजी के मोल, अर्को मे सी डी and S. kg के मोल में CDS. That means what? Kilogram, Kelvin, mole, meter, ampere, candela and second. Then third one is there are more, means they are no, means more fundamental, means more derived unit. डिराइभ युनिट्सहरु धेरै छन्, धेरै छ, यसको कुनै सीमा छैन. फोर्थमा अथवा यति लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ. अब अरु छ भने जस्तो कि हामीले एक्जाम्पल दिन सकिन्छ हैन. अर्को के त इट क्यानट एक्सप्रेस इन डिराइभ फर्म. अब यो लेखे पनि हुन्छ, तीनटा चाहिन्छ हामीलाई. यो चाहिने के त फन्डामेन्टल युनिट क्यानट बी एक्सप्रेस इन टर्म अफ डिराइभ युनिट. डिराइभ युनिट को सट्टामा हामीले फन्डामेन्टल युनिटलाई एक्सप्रेस गर्न सक्दैन, अथवा फन्डामेन्टल युनिट को सट्टामा हामीले डिराइभ युनिट एक्सप्रेस गर्न सक्दैनौँ. मिटरलाई तिमीले डिराइभ युनिट्स कसरी एक्सप्रेस गर्छौ, तर डिराइभ युनिटलाई हामीले फन्डामेन्टल युनिटमा एक्सप्रेस गर्न सक्यो. एम स्क्वायर भने डिराइभ युनिट क्यान बी एक्सप्रेस इन्टु एज अ फन्डामेन्टल युनिट, एक्सप्रेस गर्न सक्यो इन टर्म अफ फन्डामेन्टल युनिट. डिराइभ युनिट फन्डामेन्टल युनिट एक्सप्रेस गर्न सक्यो, तर फन्डामेन्टल युनिटको सट्टामा डिराइभ युनिट एक्सप्रेस गर्न सकिँदैन. र यति भन्दै हाम्रो के त पहिलो च्याप्टर मेजरमेन्ट च्याप्टर हामीले यहीसम्म सिद्धाएका छौँ. र मलाई लाग्छ विद्यार्थीहरूले राम्रोसँग बुझ्नु भएछ, बुझ्नु भएको छैन भने मैले फेरि पनि भन्दछु कि हजुरहरूले पर्सनली या कुनै रूपमा कमेन्ट रूपमा प्रश्नहरू गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ र त्यसपछि हामी अर्को क्लासमा अर्को च्याप्टर लिएर आउनेछौँ र क्वेसन आन्सरहरू जहाँसम्म हजुरहरूले यति पढिसकेपछि हजुरहरूले आफै गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। यदि कुनै कन्फ्युजन भए मैले हेल्प गर्न तयार छु, हजुरहरूले मलाई कन्ट्याक्ट गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ या त हजुरले आफ्नो विद्यालयको शिक्षकलाई कन्ट्याक्ट गरेर त्यसको प्रश्नहरूको उत्तर माग्नु सक्नुहुनेछ र सम्पूर्णलाई उपस्थितिलाई ध्यान दिएर सुनेकोमा धन्यवाद दिँदै म सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थीलाई अर्को क्लासमा पनि ध्यान दिएर यसै गरी क्लासमा बस्नुहुनेछ अथवा भर्चुअल क्लास हेरिरहनु छ भन्ने आशाको साथ म यही समाप्त गर्दछु। धन्यवाद।